In this video, let me walk you through how to add a purchase order while creating a new Fabric virtual connection. This feature is released as part of August 2024 release. We currently have a free text box entry to capture purchase order in the Fabric virtual connection create workflow. We have enhanced it with an additional option to choose a purchase order from the list of existing purchase orders. Although adding purchase order is still optional, this helps tagging the purchase order to the invoice while making the billing process much simplified between customers' organization and Equinix. Note that this specific purchase order functionality is applicable for AWS, GCP, Oracle, and Azure Quick Connects only. Let's now quickly jump into the demo for AWS Quick Connect. Click on Create Connection, and as the user lands on the Frequent Connections page, click on AWS card and select Service. Click on Create Connection, and this redirects the user to the Quick Connect workflow. Select the connection type and provide the necessary AWS account credentials and AWS destination detail. Click on Next and provide the origin asset type. Note that this specific purchase order functionality is applicable to asset types, ports, and cloud routers only. Select the origin asset type either as port or cloud router. Continue by providing the port details or the cloud router details. Hit Selection. Complete the configuration by providing the connection name, bandwidth, and VLAN ID details as necessary. Click on Next. Beneath the Additional Information section, users shall have an option to enter the purchase order detail. With this release, in addition to having the purchase order field as a free text optional field, Fabric Portal users will also be able to choose the purchase orders associated to a purchase order bearing billing account. Click on or select purchase order number, and this redirects the user to Add Purchase Order screen to further select an existing purchase order number. Click on Select an existing purchase order card. Click on a purchase order of choice from the list. Note that the other two options, Add a new purchase order and Submit or purchase order exemption form, are currently not available. Proceed by clicking on Done. Review the information provided as necessary and hit Create Connection. Additionally, users can also view the purchase order detail on the Order Summary PDF, and on the Order Success page, we could see the confirmation as the connection is successfully established. Furthermore, click on View Connections in Fabric Inventory. Users will be able to see the purchase order information in the Overview Order Details page. The selected purchase order is also added onto the invoice. That completes the demo. Thank you for watching.